Wounded Sounds. I believe this is part of the new album. It came out 4 days ago. Let's do it. Interesting name. By the river.
Смотри, какие фразы на мне блестит до переплава колье кипит, дыхание только боль. Я путала тебя с собой. Эй, ты спаси меня, 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 эй, ты спаси меня.
Okay, that was pretty nice. Interesting background sounds, huh? With a. Sick.
Мое притворство не забыло меня. Мне страшно простоять без огня. Колючий город режется, сгорает подо мною боль. Эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня.
Good.
Эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня. Хорошо, ты не слухай раненый звук.
What is this location?
Я не стану копаться, выношу руки. Хорошо, ты не слухай раненый звуки. Я не стану копаться, выношу руки. Эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты
Sick,
спаси
sick.
меня.
It's catchy.
Эй, ты спаси меня, 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 эй, ты спаси меня.
Oh, it's AI. It's AI. Okay, 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 okay. I'm saying it's AI because you can see like it morphs the face, right? Like again, this is like AI, right? What can I say? Again, another great song. It took me like maybe like 1/3 of the song to get in the catchiness of it. But once you do, like this part here, where is it? It's very catchy. That's like super catchy. Yeah, another great song. I love it. Again, very modern. I love that shit. It's awesome. Great, like here, very catchy. You want to sing along, so that's very cool. Ta-na-na, ta-na-na. Like it makes perfect sense, right? Interesting video, a bit of AI there, but that's fine. Um, what else can I say? Again, too short, too short. I like you needed more. I want more. I need this needs to be like at least a 3 minute song. So like 2:26. That's very short. I feel like with the intro, right? So again, the song starts like at 15 seconds. It's like a 2 minute song. That's like very short. Again, it's kind of normal, but maybe I'm sure there's a reason behind the song being this short. There must be like some studies being done, and to keep people's attention, the song has to be short, get to the point, so people don't like go to the next one or something. And that's kind of like the only thing I can think of because they're all short. Like there's not like one song so far, anyways, that's longer than like what 2 minutes and a half, maximum 3 minutes. So that's very interesting. So that's like my only complaint. It's too short. We need more, more. Damn it. All right. Thank you for watching. Peace.